Hey YouTube, thought I'd make a quick video, show off some upcoming projects I have. Just got home from work, my 2 weeks on the road. Now I'll have 2 weeks at home. And ordered a few things while I was gone. Starting off, I got a couple Tsunami 2 decoders. Gonna be installing these into my 2 locomotives here. Some new KD couplers. Be installing these on the corn syrup cars I have. So I got them. Got a couple Shapeways items here. A few more still to come. I should be get them in the next couple days here. But for example, this is a just kind of like a hauling bed I created a long time ago, actually, for a computer game. A while back I was into designing some vehicles for a simulator game on the computer, and I realized with 3D printing coming along I could actually convert the files to printable files. So this is the first one I did. I actually just scaled it for HO and it came out really good. This was only about $18, I believe. And it's just a like a gooseneck style hauling bed that sometimes you see on these international trucks or freightliners. And the little modification, or a few modifications, I could get it to fit. I'm just gonna have to cut the drive shaft and lengthen the frame just a little bit, and I kind of scaled it so it'll fit onto the frame like that. Well, give it a shot. It was only $18, and I have all these files. I've got this bed. I've got quite a few service truck or like equipment service style beds or bodies. Some trucks. I've got all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to start 3D printing them and just see how they turn out for HO scale or even N scale. So for this bed, I've been collecting a lot of little parts. So I've got some Plano models, so these little locks or hinges that the bodies have small cabinets. So you can get it here on the side. You can't really see it since it's clear, but once it's painted, they've got a few cabinets. I'll just put those these little hinges and locks on. Should look pretty cool. Some lights, Lone Star models, some clear and different color marker lights and so on. That should look pretty cool. And I've got a PJ style or a gooseneck flatbed trailer that it should be here in a couple days, and I'll put that with this and see how it looks. I don't know, it'll look pretty cool in the layout. Maybe just delivering some type of load for something, but it'll look pretty cool. This model I did not print. I just found it on Shapeways, but since I'm kind of modeling the winter time, you see a lot of these large snow pusher blades attached to front end loaders and so on. So I found one of these and printed it through Shapeways, and I'll paint it up and maybe attach some chain to the bucket, weather it up, and look pretty cool. So I'll work on that. Picked up one of these River Point Station service trucks. You know, since I have that little ADM transfer facility, I can get these decals here. Picked up some more of these, again, Lone Star models. Decals meant for their trailers, but I've been using them for my vehicles on my transfer facility. They got really nice products, so I figure I'll throw some of these decals on here. And another thing that's not really going on the layout, but my Tier 4 Scale Trains Gevo came in. I ordered this a while back. So this will just be, I guess it doesn't really fit there in the picture, but it'll be going in my display case for now until down the road when I have a larger layout or find a club to run it. But other than that, that's just a quick update on what's going on. I'm probably going to make a few videos on, not really how to, but just the progress of maybe, you know, putting this bed together and the service truck. Be painting that up and building that, so maybe I'll make a couple videos on that. As far as the layout, not too much going on with that right now. I'm waiting on that backdrop. I ordered it. It should be here in a couple weeks, and I don't really want to do too much scenery until that's in and I get it blended. But yeah, I'd like to thank, I got a lot of new subscribers. I really appreciate that. Over 100 and just from that one video I posted for the layout. So I'm getting a lot of interest, a lot of great comments. I really appreciate it. So I'll keep posting as I build things and as I progress. Maybe expect another video in, I don't know, maybe a few days or a week as I get some of these small projects going. I'll post some progress. But thanks again, and until next time.